Tutok-tok kapitbahay. B syndrome. Joint pain in fingers, wrist, and elbow. Female, age 41, joint pain in the fingers, wrist, and elbow. So, tingnan po natin yung flow. So, obstruction by damp cold, excessive pattern. So, there is poor circulation of the qi and blood in the channel and collaterals. Ay pumasok yung cold. Then, dysfunction of qi activity in upper burner. Pagpasok ng cold, yun. Na-dysfunction na yung qi activity in upper burner, then, kung may poor circulation of blood, then malnourished of blood. So, in dysfunction of qi activity in upper burner, there is palpitation, insomnia, stifling sensation in the chest, general lassitude. In poor circulation of blood, there is ecchymosis on the tongue. Malnourishment of blood, there is dull and flat nails, pale tongue. So, yun po yung mga sign and symptom natin makikita. Pag qi and blood deficiency naman, deficient pattern po ito. So, lack of energy and nourishment of blood. So, qi deficiency in upper burner. Magkakaroon ng palpitation, stifling sensation in the chest, and general lassitude. So, if there is blood stagnation caused by qi deficiency, there is ecchymosis on the tongue. And malnourishment of blood, there is insomnia, nail problems, and pale tongue. So, conclusion, according to the 8th principle, combination of channels, collaterals, and interior, cold and both excess and deficiency pattern, excess is the main problem. According to etiology, invasion of damp cold. According to channel and collaterals, obstruction of the channels by damp cold. According to the yin-yang theory, deficiency of yang qi. So, ang treatment principle po ay remove the damp cold, relieve the obstruction in the channels, alleviate the pain, assist the yang qi. Selection of points, triple Warner 5, small intestine 6 with warm needle. These 2 points were needled alternately. Then Baxi. Triple Warner 10, stomach 36. And Xian. Explanation of the points. Triple Warner 5 removes the obstruction from the channel and alleviates pain. It is the meeting point of the yang linking vessel and is therefore particularly effects and expelling external pathogenic factors. It also has the local effect of relieving pain and nearby joints. By functioning this point deeply, pericardium 6 will be stimulated to treat the chest symptoms. Small intestine 6 is the accumulating point of the hand crater yang channel. This point relaxes the sinews, alleviates pain, and clears obstruction from the channel. Yang Lao means nourishing the old in Chinese. It is often punctured in the aids for chronic lower back. This patient has soreness in the lower back and injury to the yang qi. Thus, the point is used alternately with triple Warner 5 to treat the cold both in its superficial and deep aspects. Baxi. So, reduce swelling and alleviate pain in the fingers and hand. These points also remove local obstruction from the channels. Triple Warner 10 removes pathogenic factors and obstruction from the hand lesser yang channel. It also helps to alleviate the local elbows pain. Stomach 36 removes obstruction from the yang brightness channel, alleviates the local knee pain, and promotes the antipathogenic factors. Xian promotes the local circulation of qi and blood. Combination of points, stomach 36 and triple Warner 5. Both points are chosen from channels with the greatest quantity of yang qi. Stomach 36 is the yang brightness channel, which is richest in qi and blood. And triple Warner 5 is on the triple Warner channel, which controls the source of qi. The use of stomach 36 supports the internal aspect of the body by promoting qi and yang, while triple Warner 5, which is connected in the yang linking vessels, promote the protective qi in the superficial aspects of the body. By thus using triple Warner 5 and stomach 36 is the proper functioning of the body is promoted both in its exterior and interior aspects. Shi Yan and stomach 36. This pair is most commonly utilized combination in the clinic for knee joint pain. Shi Yan is located in small cavities on either side of the knee, through which the pathogenic factor often get into the knee joints. By puncturing these points, they can be driven out, has a powerful local point effect as well as a broader ability to promote the general resistance of the body. This pair of points can thereby be used for either deficient or excessive conditions. Follow-up. The patient received treatment 3 times per week. After 1 week, the finger pain was much improved, and the cold symptoms were nearly gone. After the 2nd week, the treatment, all symptoms has disappeared. She was advised to change her job. Thank you for your attention.